In primetime news this evening, DK is dead. Veteran politician passes after battle with COVID-19.
Troubling PNP chairman slams members who air the party's dirty laundry in public.
And delayed opening, questions surround schools reopening in October as planned. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the Business Day, Primetime Sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what are your thoughts on the removal of the Queen Elizabeth II as Jamaica's head of state?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.